So today I tried to make steamed buns from this packaged bao flour. It looked super easy with the instructions in the back, so I take 1 tablespoon of flour and set it aside. Then I pour the rest of the flour into my mixing bowl. I add half a cup of sugar, add 1 cup of milk, and I follow the instructions to knead it for 15 minutes, gradually adding the rest of the flour if the dough is too sticky. As you can see, the dough was sticky, so good thing that I saved some of that flour. So after 15 minutes, I noticed that the dough is still a little bit sticky, but I'm just going to move ahead. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and continue to knead for 10 more minutes. From experience, I noticed that the dough is still a bit sticky, so I add some regular flour and continue to knead it. The next set of instructions says to cover the dough and let it sit for 30 minutes and then divide the dough into 18 parts. For my filling, I will be using barbecue pork. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to the pan on high heat. Add the finely chopped onion and sauté. Now add diced barbecue pork. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce for flavoring. Sauté and mix everything together. Set the filling aside and then divide your dough into 18 equal parts. Add a little bit of vinegar to your steaming pot if you would like your buns to be more white. Flatten out the dough and add the desired fillings to the middle and pinch it together at the top. Then place the bao on the steaming tray. I like to use a clean cloth so it doesn't stick to the tray. I'm making some round ones with the barbecue pork filling, but I'm also making some long ones with the preserved sausage. Place the baos in the steaming pot, cover, and steam for 15 minutes. Let's see how the baos turned out. Looks pretty good to me. It's a good idea to remove the buns right away so that it doesn't stick to the cloth, and eat it while it's nice and hot. To be honest, these buns were super easy to make and they were tasty, but they're definitely not as fluffy and good as the ones my mom makes from scratch. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.